Example 4. Using an identity to solve a trigonometric equation. Solve the equation sine x minus cosine x equals 1, where x is greater than or equal to 0 and x is less than 2 pi. When looking at this equation, I can see the possibility of using the Pythagorean identity, which is sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. And in order to use that identity, I would need to square both sides of my equation. So I would have to write it out like, hold on, let me get this fixed up here. Okay, so I have to write it out like this. Sine x minus cosine x equals 1, and then square both sides. Now remember, my goal is to get everything either in terms of all signs or in terms of cosine. Now, when I have sine x minus cosine x squared, that's really sine x minus cosine x, sine x minus cosine x, and 1 squared is 1. Now I can use the box method or I can use the FOIL method and multiply all of these terms on the left. So sine times sine is sine squared x. Sine times cosine is negative sine x cosine x. Cosine times sine is negative sine x cosine x. And then negative cosine times negative cosine is positive cosine squared x. And now I can combine like terms with these two middle terms. So this becomes sine squared x minus 2 sine x cosine x plus cosine squared x. And if you see here, we have these terms, sine squared x and cosine squared x, which aligns with what I want them to be up here. So I'm going to rearrange these and write them like this. Sine squared x plus cosine squared x, and then minus 2 sine x cosine x equals 1. Now I can replace this whole section here with 1. Now I can subtract 1 from both sides. So I've got negative 2 sine x cosine x equals 0. And I can divide both sides by negative 2. So I've got sine x cosine x equals 0. And I really can't do anything else to this at this point. So I can't get cosine x and sine x separate, but since I have them isolated this far down, I can just separate them and equal them to be 0. So I can say sine x equals 0 and cosine x equals 0 because they're both factors. And now I can bring in my unit circle and I can look for the instances where sine x and cosine x equals 0. So I'm looking for where sine or y is 0. So I've got y 0 here and here. And that would mean that sine x equals 0 at 0 radians and pi radians. And then I need to look for where cosine x equals 0. So I need to look for where my x coordinate is 0, because cosine is my x. So that would be here and here at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So I can say that x equals pi over 2 and x equals 3 pi over 2. And now what we're going to do is we are going to check for extraneous solutions. So we got 4 possible solutions here, but we want to make sure that all 4 of these possibilities are true when we substitute them into this equation right here. And so let's go ahead and do that. So we've got to check, I'm going to get rid of my unit circle so I have more space. So we've got to check x equals 0. We've got to check x equals pi, x equals pi over 2, and then x equals 3 pi over 2. So sine 0 minus cosine 0 equals 1. Well, sine 0 is 0. Cosine 0 is 1. Is that 1? Negative 1 is not 1. So x equals 0 is not a viable solution. That's false. Now let's check the next one. Sine pi minus cosine pi equals 1. Sine pi is 0. Cosine pi is negative 1. 2 negatives will cancel. 0 minus negative 1 is 1. 1 equals 1. So that's true. That one checks out. So we know that this one is good to go. This is a viable solution. Boom. All right, so let's check sine pi over 2 minus cosine pi over 2 equals 1. Sine pi over 2 is 1. Cosine pi over 2 is 0. So let's see if that equals 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 1 equals 1. So that checks out also. And finally, let's check sine 3 pi over 2 minus cosine 3 pi over 2. So sine 3 pi over 2 is negative 1. Cosine 3 pi over 2 is 0. Negative 1 minus 0 is negative 1, which does not equal 1. So we can see here that this is not a viable solution because this is false. Negative 1 does not equal 1. So even though we found 4 possible solutions, only 2 of them worked for us. So we can say that the solutions are x equals pi and x equals pi over 2. And the other 2 we cannot include in our solution set.